Welcome to the political rant here with me, the voice right here on Ghana SEM TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Shamima Muslim, abayewa we de minim ne opese ye no. Minim na position ba kwa ya masa abayewa we afa no Shamima Muslim no. Wa wonim no. Me de image be kire wo screen so. One position ya masa mami will say like yan so enjoy ebio. Na wa woni Shamima Muslim no. Ono na ye Felix Ofosu Kwache ni assistant, I say ni deputy. O say government spokesperson, they say no ministerial position altogether. Ewo a Flagstaff House no honum nti wukọ ho a Jubilee House honum wukọ a government spokesperson or none office or confirm we adwuma under on. We are even informed say some of the people who were working under the Ministry of Information under the Eswala Kufuor government omu nyina now no omu Felix Ofosu Kwache ase our government office of government communication something like that. Na sa Shamima Muslim ami we no and say abayewa we no or deputy and in other terms now or deputy minister any position or no. Now she has been speaking a lot and me I think even last week when I said earlier this week yeah story before Shamima Muslim but she doesn't want to keep quiet. Or some make sure Facebook and they are saying many Ghanaians say government is dealing leniently with the micro minority. Do you think so? How will you want those with questions to answer to be dealt with? Kindly share your thoughts. Again, or see, many Ghanaians say government is dealing leniently with the micro minority. Do you think so? How will you want those with questions to answer be dealt with? Kindly share your thought. See, Shamima Muslim, yeni banana republic mo. Ghana no, yeni banana republic. Obia sorry and opese oye no obeye. Mra laws that we use in governing this country. It is through those laws that your government was voted for. It is because of the existence of those laws that you have gotten appointment today. And the Ghana no won't mean sorry. I use the authority anyhow you want. The authority you are be given is derived from the people. And the people's authority is embedded in the constitution. And it is with that constitution that you as a government official must operate with. Yeni PNDC regime I say. We are not under PNDC at all. There be anka ye military rule ma. If they organize the election more opposition mono, you will win to even come and today be in power. A democracy. Now, Shamima Muslimi, you must always remember that you are also a public servant. Already, 78 million Ghana cedis has been allocated to your office. Who recall old currency more? 780 billion cedis, old cedis. Just to you, your office, only Felix Ofosu Kwache, 780 billion cedis. And I had a man with Juma. You and I, your name say, Saskano, a door sudodo. Your name pa, who's unim ye. Says 780 billion, the man, a door sudodo. For just 9 months. We are quiet. Why are we quiet? Because we are a nation of rules and regulations. We are a nation governed by laws. And so we are say at the right time, Beba, 2029, at 7th January 2029, and MPP Beba Bem. Say Beba Bemwa. That is when we will start questioning acquiring what you use this 780 billion for, say this for, in your first year. And it is going to be a very beautiful sight to behold. You understand? But ask yourself, say, when that time comes in 2029 and MPP is in power and MPP sends people purported to be part of national security, they are not wearing uniforms, they have covered their faces, hidden their image and all. If those people are sent to your house, Shamima Muslim, to come and effect an arrest as a woman, as a devout Muslim, will you be happy? Will you be happy? If the same thing is done to you, will you be happy? It is a question you must answer before you try to come to social media to please your followers. See, your followers, if you follow them, they will lead you astray. In the end, you will stand alone to answer questions when MPP comes to power. You won't come and say, oh, maybe saw on Facebook when I can say, anytime you see me here, say, debut. You will be made to answer alone. Always remember that when the time comes, and you know public office is very tricky, eh? It's like some of you, most of you, you are new, so like you are that energy. You don't know, you want to show working, you want to show that you are there some. Public office is very, very tricky. Sometimes you can be careful for all the 4 years, but just one moment, one mishap, one misstep, that is the end game for you. Okay? As long as you are a politician, remember, you are always a candidate for Nsawam. So long as you remain a politician, you are always a candidate to go to Nsawam. Always. Because political service, public service, are very, very, very. Sometimes, but you ask her, and in the end, the bus will end with you. You'll be made to answer. So let's tread cautiously. All these unnecessary show of force, unnecessary commentaries that we are passing on social media, because who are bemu, una Muslim, una makeup, no problem. But power is transient. And then tomorrow is another person. And then MPP. So let's be very, very careful. Let's be very, very mindful. MPP now, we did not chase the likes of Collins Dauda and the rest like this, the way you are doing. We didn't. Collins Dauda was interviewed on the floor of Parliament. I mean, in Parliament. Ato Forson was interviewed in Parliament. And the many others who underwent prosecution were all interviewed in the Chamber of Parliament. Prof. Maikwe allocated offices for them to come and do those interviews because of parliamentary privilege. So let's be cautious. Let's be careful. You will never know what may happen tomorrow. This has been the Political Round with me, the voice right here on Ghana 7 TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Until then, bye-bye, cheers. See you in the next one.